We are going to study the relation between wave velocity and the particle velocity. Directly, this is equation of plane progressive motions. So, in plane progressive motions, there are two velocities. Particle is vibrating like this in such a motion, and wave is moving along this. Wave velocity is constant, but particle velocity is variable. So, what is the relation between particle velocity and wave velocity? In this is the traveling wave equations. In this, y is the displacement of the particle due to such a motion, and x is the displacement of the position of the wave. What is the wave position? This is the x. So that's why dy by dt is the particle velocity and dx upon dt will be the wave velocity. What we'll do in this case, we'll differentiate it with respect to time and with respect to displacement. Okay, so we are doing d dy of t dt t of y equal. Now differentiate this with respect to time, that is the r derivative of sine is cos theta or cos 2 pi by lambda and vt minus x into, now differentiate this with respect time t, this is 2 pi by lambda v. So this is equation number 1. In this you can write this as a u, velocity of the particle, and next differentiate this with respect to disposition of the wave d. So d dy of x, this equation, this terms also represents there are two variables x and t. So differentiate with respect to t and differentiate with respect to x. Now this equation I am differentiating with respect to x. So this is r cos 2 pi by lambda and vt minus x and minus, now differentiate this term, now differentiate this term with respect to x. So that will be 2 pi by lambda and minus 1 is minus. Equation number 2. Now equation 1 divided by equation 2. On division, this I am representing as a u. So this is equation, sorry, this is not u is this. So in this, u upon dy by dx equal r cos this term is cancelled. You are getting 2 pi by lambda v upon minus 2 pi by lambda. So on simplification, this is the minus v. So u equal minus v dy by dx. This is the relation. Please clear it, and in case you have any doubt, you can comment me and subscribe please if you think it is beneficial for you, and communicate video to others too. Subscribe so that my next video must reach to you. Okay, best of luck.